Go, go, go! Welcome to week 5 of isolation, where we're in the middle of the Karawatha Forest taking our bikes for a ride. We've got angry Lumi.
I'm not angry!
Okay, we've got grumpy Lumi. We've got accident prone Lumi.
Okay, I feel that better.
Better? Accident prone Lumi, who's been riding down the hill constantly, nearly smashing into that trunk over there.
Got blood.
Got crazy Junior, who's been running like crazy. Mark,
The engineerist.
the engineerist.
What?
And the slightly overweight and hairy
And the vlogger.
And the vlogger. We've got several cameras, GoPros everywhere, 360. It's going to be fun. Subscribe, like and share.
There's something holding on.
And stay safe. Ready? Let's go, fast.
So hard to fade away. So hard to fade away. So hard to fade away. So hard to fade away.
Junior, come here. Junior, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No, don't stir up the dogs. Go. How was that?
My legs are hurting.
Yeah? This is our famous lemon tree that we found in the forest. Some lemons are ready to go, so we'll pick them. Oh. Lumi, can you get that one over there? This one. This one. There was one on the other side that looks yellow. Grab some of these ones. If they're higher than yellow, grab them. You ready to go?
Yep.
Awesome. Part 2.
So hard to fade away. So hard to fade away. So hard to fade away. So hard to fade away.
I'm bleeding.
What'd you do?
I went into that
Again?
Yeah.
Couldn't you just go straight up?
I couldn't turn.
I'm thinking target fixation, you're not looking where you're going.
Yeah, you're probably looking. Alright, so this is the ride down. This is where we decide whether Lumi falls off or not.
You can't decide. My choice.
Last time you fell off.
No, I didn't.
Go, go, go! She's definitely getting better. Oh, crazy kid. Go, Jimmy. Oh, that was good. Did ya? Ah, should have had the GoPro on. So we've just finished our ride, 6 Ks, fantastic. Oh, this is a reenactment of how Lumi rides. Oh, now you got something to cry about. Ow!
Now you got something to.
Anyway, oh, we're going crazy with this isolation, but it's been good. We're keeping fit, so stay safe, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. And the craziness, I think, is just starting here in the backyard. I mean, the front yard. Go, go get him.
He's weird.
You can't do anything except to fall over.
No, I can do this.
Yep, go. Ow!
I'm so evil.
That hurts.
I'm so evil. Now you got something to be out about.